You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words. They are confusing, I know, but it's pretty straightforward once you know. So if you want to learn more vocabulary in English, make sure to stay tuned. I got tons more for you at the end of this video, linking to them soon. Fastened, okay? So there's no T. Don't look for any T sound. There isn't. You could essentially spell it F-A-S-N-D. Fastened. Fastened. Fastened is the participle, okay? So that's your bottom word here. The verb itself is to fasten. In a plane, they would tell you to fasten your seatbelt. In a car as well. Fasten. To fasten is the verb. The participle, fastened. Or the past, simple past, fastened. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.